This is Boo in her little bed. She's taken to sleeping upside down on her back with all four legs in the air. And she's been in this position for at least 45 minutes while I've been doing Facebook in the living room. What have you got to say for yourself, Miss Boo? Not very much, apparently. You the Boo monster? Oh, you tie. Bit tired? Do you like your bitty boys? Ball. Boo boo. Ball. Boo boo. Tigger. Boo boo. Ball. Boo boo. Eeyore in the corner. Oh, can't see Eeyore in the corner. Is Eeyore in the corner? And Boo boo. On the back with the legs in the air, like a daddy. Ha 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 ha. Very pretty. Oh, what a clever girl.